Today I'm going to talk about is Chat GPT a good tool for students to use? Nowadays, Chat GPT are getting more and more popular all over the world at any field of study. For example, accounting, Chat GPT can take in all the data and calculate for statistics in an extremely fast speed, much faster than human, and it provides almost exactly um, accurate result, which is very much efficient than the traditional way of do the accounting. And also when it's doing voicing uh, for films or animes, it can also imitate humans' voice very naturally, and this can replace a lot of human jobs nowadays. From the statistics, we can see ChatGPT only took 5 days to reach 1 million users, while Spotify and Instagram are taking 2 to 5 months to reach this much users. This can prove that ChatGPT is one of the most popular app we have these years. The reason why ChatGPT is becoming so popular and powerful is because of its training model behind it. Unlike a traditional AI model, ChatGPT will collect data at first and then retrain with the data with a reward model. Such reward model will take the information and also the feedback of users. And for the information that have positive feedbacks, it will reward it, which will give more priority to this type of information. And this will eventually lead to more and more accurate results under this training. And the more user using this app, the better it's trained. And that's why ChatGPT is getting more popular and its quality is even getting better and better. However, it raises the problems that it is too powerful, and we want to discuss whether it's suitable for students to use such powerful tool. However, my argument is that ChatGPT could be one of the best tools for students to use to assist their study, as long as they're not using it for cheating. The first reason is that ChatGPT can provide safe and related information to students as what they ask. It will not provide redundant advertisement or things that is not related to the students asking for. The second reason is that ChatGPT can provide highly customizable information, which provides a lot of efficiencies that students don't have to search for a long time and get the desired result from a tiny piece of information. And the third reason is that for students, ChatGPT not only show the answer but also gives the explanation of each step to solve the answer, which helps students to understand the concept much better. For the first reason that it provides safe and related information from the example, we can see that if we're using ChatGPT to ask for what determines the number of neutron, electron, and proton of an atom, it just directly lists out the how you find those numbers in text form, and you just have to read it. It also gives you a little summary for you to easily remember it. However, if you're searching it on Google, it pops out two links which looks identical, but you're not sure which one to follow. One of them is even uh, um, sort of low quality source, the WikiHow. It can be added by anyone, so the credibility is really low. And also there are a lot of links of videos. Some might not be related to what I'm asking. So this is why ChatGPT is powerful, that it provides related information that you're asking, and it makes sure it's safe so that you don't click into random virus websites or advertisement. For the second reason that it provides highly customizable information, we can look at this example. Here I'm asking for the constant R in the formula of gas constant law. And I've added a lot of conditions for the question. For example, under what condition does it change? Can you provide a few examples to explain this? In a traditional search engine, we have to type in those questions and for every search, and we're gonna scroll through a lot of websites to find the desired result. However, for this tool, it can directly provide the result that you want, and with very detailed explanation as shown. So this helps to save students time a lot, that they don't have to scroll through the whole website to find the little piece of information they're looking for. And eventually, the reason I would recommend ChatGPT to be used by students, study assistant tool, the most important reason is that it not only show the answer, but also give the explanation of each step to solve the problem. Usually if you search a problem on Google, if it exists or like it's a common problem, there will be a lot of websites like Check, and those websites just directly gives you the answer. And the only thing you can do is copy the answer, and eventually you don't even understand how the answer come from. However, for ChatGPT, it provides all the explanation from the starting, and it makes sure that you understand the question and answer it with the concepts that it explained to you, and so that after you read whatever it provides, you will be fully understand to this kind of content. And if you encounter similar question in the future, you can still answer it because you understand it instead of just copying the answer. So in conclusion, ChatGPT provides safe and related information to for students as well as they searched, and also it outputs highly customizable information, which in the same time providing a detailed explanation for each step to solve the problem and explain the concept behind it. And those are the reasons why I recommend ChatGPT as a studying assistant for students. As long as students are not cheating with it, students can learn a lot and save a lot of their time by using this tool to assist their study. Thank you.